Good evening everyone, welcome to the Flavors of Light YouTube channel. My name is Ali Reza and I'm going to be showing you a special juice today that I'm making, which is the juice if you're craving sodium. So if you're craving salt, what your body actually wants is bioavailable, organic, easily digestible sodium. The carrier for that is organic plants. We're talking about beets, celery, carrots, chard, spinach, etc. Now, I use the sauna a lot in the steam room to help my body detoxify itself, because you've got to remember the main organs of elimination are your bowels, your skin, your breath, and your urinary tract, and you need to use all of them. Unfortunately, what also happens is we do leach minerals out our skin. So due to my intense regimen, I crave salt heavily. Now I'm smart enough not to go run off and eat rocks. I try and minimize my need for Himalayan salt or other, the best sources of salt, and I try to go to plants. And particularly because I'm on a solid food vacation now, this is day 3, I'm going to go to organic plants. And I have a special recipe today that I'm going to share with you, and I'm going to be topping up with what I regularly use as well as Daily Green Boost, so organic barley grass juice powder. And just to make sure I'm getting all my needs, an important point here to make is that if you run off and think you can do a mono juice fast, you're mistaken. What you'll see is that different times of the day, due to emotional changes and basically nutrient needs, you're going to crave minerals and you're going to crave a diverse range of produce. If you just go off and live on oranges, you're going to hit a wall, because the salt cravings are going to come in and you're going to basically start craving different nutrients that you can't just find in oranges, and your body's just basically going to rat out and you're going to have to stop your juice cleanse. To successfully succeed on this juice cleanse, you're going to require diversity, quantity, and quality. What I'm about to make now is a clear example of what I'm talking about. So if you just look down below, we see the recipe I have today. So I have a good dosage of lemons. Lemons are highly astringent and super flavorful. They complement salty juices very well. I have some delicious, look at this is beautiful, some delicious stalks of chard, and I have organic celery. I have to say celery is one of the most saltiest vegetables you can find, particularly organic, because what you want is that you want the bacteria in the soil you want the bacteria in the soil to be alive and not killed by pesticides, so that can convert inorganic rocks into organic minerals. So if you just pay attention here, I have the Green Star Elite juicer. I highly recommend this juicer. This is the #1 juicer I've ever experimented with, and we're going to process these. What I love about this juicer is it perfectly does leafy greens, no effort, and you don't need to strain the juice. It's a powerful machine thanks to the dual gear bioceramic technology. And what I love is it just sucks. It loves leafy greens. Now I'm just going to alternate celery and chard at the same time. My favorite thing about leafy greens is that you can tell by color, nutrient density. See that? That's a beautiful color. This is what you're looking for when you're looking for vegetables. And I repeat that the Green Star horizontal technology is perfect for juicing greens. So you have to remember that your body is not just living off sweets. If you're active and you exercise a lot, you'll definitely pick up on, or if it's summer where you are or it's always hot, you'll definitely pick up on your salt cravings. Where humans used to get their salt originally in the forest, I don't exactly know. but from a nature documentary I watched, it seems that the apes will travel out and commute to find salty greens. And when we say salty, we're basically saying, when we say salty, we're basically talking about mineral rich produce. So don't get it confused with consuming refined, heavily processed, and I think apparently chemicalized table salt. And yeah, you can have Himalayan salt, but we can do better than that. There's no reason to go look for a quick instant gratification solution where we can, thank you to technology in our modern world, we can use plants as a carrier, so that when we drink these raw living juices and we use products such as barley grass juice powder, again here, I don't receive any money for advertising this. I'm just recommending it as a super powerful, helpful supplement I've been using, because I just know there's many people out there who are just putting their dollars on things that don't really help them. This juice powder was grown in conscious soil and it's been carefully dried, and whenever you want, it's ready for your body to uptake. Many people have different ways of consuming it. Find out what works for you. For me, I love salty and sour. If you look around the world, a lot of people who have like sour fruits or sour treats, I don't know for what reason, but the body wants to sprinkle some salt on it, and that's what people do. But the salt they're doing is not conscious salt, it's unconscious salt. Alright, let's just finish this up. I like it very sour, so hence my use of lemons. Adjust to your personal preference. I'm gonna do a taste test to see how this juice is without the Daily Green Boost, because the Daily Green Boost is so mineral rich that it itself is salty. So if you look at color and saltiness of whatever you're consuming that's like green, leafy greens, I think that will give you an indication of quality. And that comes down to A, it being organic, and B, how fresh it is, and C, the quality of the soil. All these things do matter, and they do add up. Because when you start getting ripe, organic, properly grown produce, look how beautiful the color is. When you start getting ripe, organic, beautiful colored produce, and then you go back to your conventional stuff, you can tell the difference. So I'm just gonna experiment this. I'm gonna get a glass straw, but right now I'll just keep reusing this plastic one I get from my coconuts. So I'm just gonna give this a go, and the reason why I'm using a straw is because I'm gonna protect my teeth. The lemon's acidic, it's not the best thing to put against your teeth, especially these are unripe. Damn, that's salty. That's extremely salty. Wow. If someone picked this up and drank this, they'd think someone literally tipped over table salt into it. Wow. I don't even need to add Daily Green Boost. That would be an overkill. So, to be successful on a solid food vacation, one thing that you're definitely going to need is mineral rich green juices. And the sad thing is, in the real world today, people are not conscious of this, and they're 24/7 using processed food, junk food for their salt cravings, because that stuff is heavily drenched in it. So don't follow the crowd. Walk the opposite way. Thank you for joining this video and watching it. I hope you are benefiting from this information. You get inspired, motivated, and it was entertaining for you. Please comment, subscribe, contact us if you need any help. If you're interested in our ebook, iris analysis, or like coaching. Also, please follow us on Instagram. It's Flavors of Light, and I wish you a pleasant day wherever you are in this world. Thank you.